And over 500 teenage girls from poor families at Mukumu area in Trans Nzoia have received 1 year's supply of free sanitary pads from well-wishers to keep them in school. Students mostly from vulnerable families received the menstrual products from Africa Elite Group and LM Foundation that supports girls' education in Kenya. The government has been challenged to set a special budget to provide free menstrual products to all teenage school-going children in the country. Menstrual Health Kenya report shows that 65% of women and girls in Kenya are unable to afford sanitary pads. According to education stakeholders, these will help improve their school attendance during menstrual period. LM Foundation Director Lucia Musau said 63% of girls in Kenya stay at home during menstrual cycle due to lack of pads.
Because girls now are very comfortable because you can see their packages are loaded with so many pads. It can take them maybe 4 to 5 years. So whenever a girl has menses and they don't have pads, normally they absent themselves from school because they are not comfortable.
Million girls stay at home 4 to 5 days a month just because they don't have sanitary towels and to continue learning, which is alarming, so to speak, that girls have to stay at home because they don't have sanitary towels. This should be a basic need. And we as a LM Foundation are doing our part in ending period poverty.
And ICT Cabinet Secretary Eli Duwale has urged the Luo Nyanza region to embrace and support